We have breaking news in the cryptocurrency industry. This is something we've been tracking and monitoring. First video about it. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. We're still witnessing the fallout from the FTX crash. And now crypto brokerage Genesis is said to warn of bankruptcy without funding. And we're going to break it down, what this means for crypto and what's going on with Genesis right now. Make sure you guys, again, hit that like button, subscribe here. We're here every single day for you, bringing you real information, and it's always raw information. I don't script out any of these videos. I read articles, gather the news, provide my thoughts and analysis for you. And if you like that style of content, make sure you guys subscribe. All right, let's dive in. Crypto brokerage Genesis is said to warn of bankruptcy without funding. So this is a digital asset brokerage, Genesis. They're struggling right now to raise cash for its lending unit, and it's warning potential investors that it may need to file for bankruptcy if its efforts fail, according to people with knowledge of the matter. Now, they've spent the past several days seeking at least $1 billion in fresh capital. There are reports now that they've dialed that back to about $500 million. But that included talks over a potential investment from crypto exchange Binance, they said. But funding so far has just failed to materialize. Everybody is hanging on to what they have, it seems like, right now in the cryptocurrency market. The rush for funding was precipitated by a liquidity crunch at the lender after the sudden collapse of FTX, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, of course. At least used to be. Genesis halted redemption shortly after revealing on November 10th, about 12 days ago, that it had $175 million locked in an FTX trading account that they cannot access. We have no plans to file bankruptcy imminently, a representative for Genesis said in an emailed statement. Our goal is to resolve the current situation consensually without the need for any bankruptcy filing. Genesis continued to have constructive conversations with creditors, but again, nobody has stepped up to the plate as of yet to help out Genesis. Now, a representative for Binance declined to comment on the whole situation. I'm sure that's just because if there are ongoing conversations, they can't be talked about right now. In addition to that, Genesis has also reached out to Apollo Global Management in a bid to secure an investment, but Apollo is unlikely to commit to a deal, according to a person with direct knowledge of the matter. One option proposed by Genesis was for Apollo to buy parts of its loan book, the person added. So other platforms are facing their own struggles right now as redemption requests roll in after FTX bankruptcy filing roiled the crypto sector and left investors on edge about the risk of a contagion. Genesis is a counterparty to many of the digital asset space and is closely watched as a gauge of the industry's strength. Now, in response to Genesis suspending withdrawals, Gemini halted redemptions from its Earn product. That left in limbo a program that, according to a person familiar with the matter, has $700 million of customer money tied up in it. The difficulties at Genesis have also impacted Gemini crypto exchange here. And we're going to have to just continue to monitor this situation. Hopefully somebody steps up to the plate and helps out Genesis in this regard. But again, this is what we feared regarding the FTX collapse. There will be further fallout. But again, I caution you to think bigger, right? I want to encourage you to think, again, 5-10 years down the line, guys. This is terrible what's going on, but it will get better, right? It feels like it will never get better right now, but this is necessary in order for our industry to move forward. We have to, A, get rid of the bad actors, B, consolidate. The best companies will rise to the top when we get out of this whole thing, and we'll be better prepared for the next bear market. Companies are now showing their proof of reserves, more transparency. All of these sort of things are going to make our industry better moving forward. But again, a note that I have been saying, and I want to, again, hit on this again in this video, all my money is now off of centralized exchanges. I own the keys to all of my crypto now. It feels really good. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while. Hard to do, easier said than done. But right now I'm off of all centralized exchanges. I've got the keys to my crypto, and I encourage you to look into some of these avenues as well, whether it's a ledger, DeFi wallets. Look into it and make the best decision for you. Thank you all so much. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below as it relates to Genesis, warning of bankruptcy. hopefully somebody can step up and save the day here, so we don't have to see another further fallout from this FTX contagion. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. And we'll be okay. We got to hang in there. We'll be okay. Let's keep moving forward, learning every day. These are great opportunities, both in stocks and in crypto. So let's keep learning. Let's keep adding. Let's keep investing. And let's keep the hope and faith for the future. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you.